Okay. Yeah, the next topic that I'm going to discuss about a very simple topic. Okay, so in Selenium, there are two ways to close the browser. One is driver.close and the another one is driver.quit. Okay, so what is driver.close and what is driver.quit? So what is the difference between these two? Okay, I'm going to discuss about now. Okay, so driver.close closes the current browser. Okay, and driver.quit also closes the current browser and and all other browsers opened by the Selenium. Okay, so the only difference is driver.close only closes the current browser, whereas driver.quit will close all the windows, all the browsers that are opened by the Selenium. Okay, so when there is only one browser as opened, then you can use driver.close. Okay, and sometimes when you click on in a page, when you click on a button, it opens another window. There are two windows are opened. So during that time, when you want to close all the windows, you can use driver.quit. Driver.quit will close all the windows that are opened by the Selenium. Okay, so let me run the driver.close with driver.close. Okay, once the program is completed, it will close the browser. Okay, now let me comment out driver.close and driver.quit. So right now only one browser is opened, you don't see the difference, but when multiple browsers are opened, it will close all the browsers. Okay, with the driver.quit also it should close the browser. Okay, you can see that. That is another topic that I wanted to discuss.